All right, it's 4:06 p.m. and we're here in Perth Amboy, and we're gonna head over to the Dominican Festival. And let me give you a weather check here. It's 91 degrees, so it's actually kind of hot, but you know what? The humidity feels so much lower than it's been. Honestly, myself personally, I don't care about the heat, it's the humidity. So right now we're not too bad. So yeah, we're gonna be strolling around here. It's Sunday, August 9th, 2026. And this, from what I know, is the 25th anniversary of the Dominican Festival. So it should be pretty lit. I have my live stream equipment. So we plan on maybe doing a live stream today. I'm not sure. So we're gonna stroll. And the microphone, I have the microphone set up. I'm still testing some things with the new bag, but you might hear a little ruffle from the bag to the shirt. That's what's been kind of happening a little bit, and zippers, but that's part of the game. Our microphone picks up a lot, and I do in post, I do some audio myself, so we do enhance the audio. I enhance it myself. You know, anyway, so just a little behind the scenes, you might hear a little some ruffling. It's kind of unavoidable right now until I figure this out. But yeah, we're good though. We got good sound. All right, so let's stroll. We're on 2nd Avenue right now. And I believe we just walked straight down here. We went here last year. This was the same spot as far as I know. I parked a block over. So I did not park on this street. I figured this would be full, and it is full. So I got good parking about a block over. It's pretty wild. It's like kind of night and day difference. And yeah, this party is lit. From last year, it was great. There's festivals. Okay, so you got Elizabeth has a festival for Puerto Rican, I believe it was, or Dominican. We just did that one not long ago, and we do the Puerto Rican festival here in Perth Amboy, and I like both. I do like both, but I tend to like the way this one is set up more. The Dominican festival just seems to me, this spot right here is just a little bit better. It's more wide open. It's more of a spot where you can do some good you know, partying, hanging out, whatever it is they do, you know what I mean? Like all kinds of food and all kinds of music, and you know, whatever it is anybody does. Pretty cool. The other spot, the Perth Amboy Puerto Rican Festival, right under the outer bridge, is super awesome. But I just like this more. It's just more, it's more festival kind of vibe, this spot. But both of them are great, so I'm not saying either one is bad. They're both great. So that's the Perth Amboy hometown trolley. You don't see that every day in a town. Really cool. You gotta love that. The hometown trolley. It's kind of like a throwback kind of thing. All right, so there will be a lot of music here. This is a music festival. Yeah. This way. Okay, thank you. So there will be a lot of music here. So expect possibly I might put music over the video, or YouTube, if you know, the YouTube platform may have music put over the video, because we cannot have any copyright music on the videos. And that goes for anybody, you know, it's not just myself, it's anybody who really operates on YouTube or any platform. It's just how it is. So just a heads up, I may mention that throughout the video. So if you hear me talking a lot, a little more than normal, it has a lot to do with the music a lot of the time. Like right now you hear the music. Hopefully they let me in with the camera. I don't know, they usually do, but there's not that many people here right now. So I hope there's no issues with that. There never was, but I might have to turn it off for when we're going in it might be the smart move, but there's really nobody here today, so far, compared to the previous years. Surprisingly, why it looks so empty right now? I don't know. Maybe it wasn't really known about. Maybe a lot of people didn't know about it. This is kind of bad. I mean, in the way of not very busy yet. Maybe it'll get busier. So we'll see. But I'm pretty surprised. It's right now it doesn't look that busy. So I don't know. So we're gonna take a little minute. I gotta figure out if I'm going in with the camera on. They definitely search you, so I'm gonna make sure I have everything ready to search. I have to turn the camera off. They will be searching me going in, so I will be turning the camera off. Right now it just makes sense. So I'm gonna do that. Right now, are we going in right now? Let me see, I guess so. It is very, very slow right now. But anyway, it's okay. It looks okay. Let's just walk around. We'll go in, check it out, see what's cracking. There may be more people coming. You know, it might be just because it might be a little early or something. So it's 4:13 right now. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera off because we have to. It's better to do that to walk in. All right, we're in. Yeah, it's very muddy here. There's a lot of music. It's very loud. Let me try to go through this way. Very possible that it's just a later kind of vibe, but yeah, pretty crazy. There's a lot of Dominican clothing, a lot of great Dominican stuff here, and yeah, I would definitely say this is a great place to get some representation kind of clothing for sure, Dominican. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it is what it is right now. So I'm only going to talk as long as I really can. I'm just talking over the music right now. That's all I'm really kind of doing. But yeah, it's really not so busy here today right now. But we'll see. It might get busier as the time goes on. As the day goes on, it's possible. We'll see. I don't know. But there's not a whole lot going on today. So we're going to see what's going on. Let's walk over this way. So maybe we'll stroll like outside of the event over here to this side. See what's going on over here. All right, let's cruise over this way. Alrighty. I think we gotta get searched if we go out and all of that. Yeah, crazy. I'm not gonna exit yet. We're gonna go out this way a little bit later. But yeah, not a whole lot going on here today. Pretty Yeah, last year this place was packed. I don't know. I don't know.
Acuérdate que con este calor una Coors Light cabe muy bien a todo el que pueda. Que pase por ahí atrás. Otra vez. ¡Mire!
Dime pa' dónde vamos después de la playa. Si no se camó, yo te digo la toalla. Y dime bueno cómo, pero en mi cama tengo toda la desecharte. Tú vive lejos, cuando quiera yo.
So it's hard to move around in here. Oh man, wow. I don't know why it's so slow today. I really don't know. Doesn't really make sense.